Well, welcome back to Good Morning Quad Cities at 11. It's time to introduce you to our pet of the week. And Patty McRae with the Quad City Animal Welfare Center is joining us once again. Patty, good to have you back.
Thank you.
Yes, and it is so cold outside, so we appreciate you making the trip over here. But first of all, tell us about Hurricane, right? Yeah, tell us a little bit about Hurricane.
Oh, he's lovely.
So cute.
He really is.
He's so cute.
He's so sweet. He's just purring. So he's about 3 months old.
Okay.
He's a neutered male. He has been microchipped. He's up to date on shots. He's lovely. I think he'd be a great companion for a family.
He was very calm right now, and I know when we were kind of testing the camera out, he was looking right in the camera, so he knew he had the spotlight today.
Yep.
But so, how long has Hurricane been at the shelter?
Well, we've had him and his sister there in our care for probably about 3 weeks. He's been at the shelter for about a week. He was prior to that in a foster home, and the foster, you can tell, really socialized and really handled him because he's very gentle and very sweet.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I love it. And so what homes would Hurricane do best in?
Well, I think he'd be great with other cats. Slowly introduced to dogs, I think he'd be fine. He'd be great with kids as well. And, you know, just keep in mind, he looks pretty calm right now, but that would change once he gets into a home, and he's going to want to run around. So make sure you're putting up your breakables and things you don't want him to get into.
Absolutely. You got to be careful with that stuff.
Yeah.
But so why should someone adopt this extremely cute kitten?
Well, I think people want to give animals a home. They want to love them, and he deserves that. He deserves a chance to be loved by a family. I think he is very gentle and sweet, so I do think he'd be a great companion.
No, absolutely. And something very important right now is, this brutally cold weather and pets and keeping them safe because it's just so dangerous. What is some advice you have for pet owners during this, very cold weather?
Well, number one, if you can bring them inside, absolutely do that. That's the main thing. Even if you have a heated basement, you can bring them inside. That really is the best thing you can do for your pet. Also, when you let your pets outside, make sure your fences and your gates are closed. I have little dogs, so my husband gets out and he clears a little path for them. Make sure you're getting them a way to get in and out. They make pet salt, so it's pet safe salt.
Perfect.
Make sure that's what you're using. You don't want them to be stepping on the other types of salt that might burn or irritate their feet.
Right.
And what I do is I have a little box of the wet wipes by the door and a towel. So when my littles come inside and they're out there very short period of time, very quick, in and out, I wipe their little feet with the little baby wipes, and then I dry them, and then they're good to go.
Yeah, and how much time do you think would be appropriate for, I know that it's tough, probably no more than 5-10 minutes, I would imagine.
Oh, no, not even that. Not even that, no. I mean, I actually stand at the door and watch them, and they come right back in as soon as they're done.
Okay.
They don't want to be out in this. And then lastly, make sure you have them with a microchip, you have identification. On the horrible chance that they might get out of your yard, make sure you're able to get them back safely with identification.
Perfect. No, those are some amazing tips right there. Patty, thank you so much for bringing Hurricane in today. And if you would like to adopt Hurricane, visit the Quad City Animal Welfare Center's Adoption Center. They are open Mondays and then Wednesdays through Saturdays, noon to 5. And you can also visit their Facebook page or website.